Congratulations, Leo. It's a beautiful baby girl. Oh, thank you. I'm gonna name you Chloe. Because you look like a Chloe. What do you know? Mom, can you babysit the baby? What baby? Oh, the baby I had. Here you go. I have to go to high school now. See you later. Yep, I have the baby. Yep, I have the baby and we're at school. Yep, and we're going to tell that one girl, oh yeah, Roxy, that she's not a member of the Perk again. That's the plan. Got it. Yep. Mm-hmm. Let's go inside. Oh, hey, girl. Hello, Perk. Don't call yourself that anymore, because you are a loser. You're a lame-o, you're ugly, you stink, and you smell like onion. So that means that you're not a Perk. And you wear a retainer, so that's imperfect. You have contacts, which is imperfect. So, and those split ends and the bad hair dye, ugly. So you can't be a Perk again, and you can't see my baby. La la, bye-bye. Peace out, rest out, boom. Yeah, we showed her. We totally showed her that she can't just be going around thinking she's a Perk. Please. Let me see. I can't believe it. You don't want me to be a Perk anymore. What does it mean? I'm perfect! I am perfect! I'm perfect! It's okay. They're crazy. I'm not crazy. They're crazy! I don't want to be this. Wait, I do want to be a Perk. What am I thinking? Oh my god! Oh my god, oh my god. I can't see a baby. I can't see a baby! I'm a Perk! Now, wait, I'm not a Perk because they set up that. Oh my god, they kicked me out again! A second time! For real? Really? This is all messed up. Just over some contacts and a retainer. For real? And I got a face retainer. Are you crazy? I had all this stuff done. I'm going to make this for test. But then she's going to say that I have bad highlights. Is that true? Highlights really that bad? Okay, splitting things is a little bit true. But everything else is not. She's gonna say my outfit looks ugly. You did just say that. Did she just say that? Yes, she did. If she did, then she's applied it. I'm not crazy. I'm not crazy. I'm not crazy. I'm going home early because I'm feeling a little crazy. Wait, I'm not crazy. Oh. I hope we didn't mess her up too bad. Why do you care about her feelings? Well, she was one of us once. Yeah, but now I'm one of us. And I'm better for that to happen. Anyway. Well, all I say is that she can't be a part of our cool clique. It's not right. So wrong. Exactly. Okay, so she's not a member of the Perk, and she will never be ever again. Okay? Let's all whip her hair to celebrate her that beauty too. I whip my hair back and forth. I whip my hair back and forth. I whip my hair back and forth. Okay, so now let's put up some balloons and have a party since she's not in our group. Let's start with that. Yeah, balloon, we're partying, we're partying, yeah, 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 free. Party, yeah, and free. Party, yeah, and free. Party, and party, and because that was like a total awesome party. Now we celebrate that she's not in our group. So now, the big decision, who's going to be the godmother? Lexa, Sasha, or nobody else. Because she's not in the group anymore. So Lexa or Sasha. That's why do you want to be the godmother? Because I'm pretty and the baby's pretty too. I want to be in the group because I'm awesome. I'm a great godmom. Because I was one before. And I have experience with babysitting. Because I have my own babysitting stuff. Okay, Sasha, you could be the godmom. Yay! I'm so happy! Let's go to my place so you can see the baby. Does Ethan know the baby's born? Yes, Ethan totally knows. He just has a football practice. Mom! Did you just drop the baby? No. Wait. Come here, Mommy's here. Yeah, Mommy's here. Mommy's here. But this is a baby that my mom just dropped on the floor and now she's crying. Mama. Oh, her first words. Oh. And look, she's walking. My baby's the smartest baby in the world. She's walking. And she's born. Mama, and she's talking. She's the smartest, most awesome baby in the world. And I love her. Let's all go to bed. Okay.